Opa, you're back with Jack the Greek, and what a beautiful day it is here in Melbourne. What a spread I have here for you today. But before we do prepare our meal, I'm going to turn on the CrossRay BBQ with the hood on, just to get it going. Opa, just like that. That won't take more than 5 minutes to get ready. So the time and the clock is ticking. Look what we have, some beautiful vegetables over here. Beautiful, straight from Preston Market. And look what we have from our local Greek fishmonger at Preston Market. Opa, some beautiful fresh barramundi. Let's get right into it. Okay, it's time to prepare our barramundi now. And as you can see here on my left, a little fan. Jack the Greek, whenever he cooks fish outdoors, always has his fan to keep away the flies. So let's go. What I like to do, especially with large fish, is cut them up just like this. Beautiful. And let's get our fan a little bit closer to keep away the flies. Just there. And I'll cut it again, just like this. We want to be quick because we are outdoors with fish. And our CrossRay BBQ is nearly ready to go. One more cut on this side, I think. Just like that. And we'll put it in our tray. At the bottom of our tray, I do have some paper, baking paper, to make sure the fish doesn't stick. So there we are. So ready now for our vegetables. And you know Jack the Greek, he does it very simple. He doesn't make it too fussy. So let's cut the potatoes. Just like that. Opa. Nice and simple. Move them around. We have some beautiful vegetables here. Some leeks. We have some Chinese broccoli as well. We have some fresh onions. So again, Jack the Greek, his style is just cut and throw it in. We don't need to make it very pretty. It's all about the flavour and all about the taste. Put a bit of this in, just like that. Look at our fan, it's doing a fantastic job. And again, have your vegetables out. Whatever you grab with your hands, just put them straight in, just like that. A few carrots, cut them up, just like that. Oh, our fan. Let's move it there. Our vegetables, our beautiful carrots, just cut it like that. Another onion, and don't forget, one of the tricks of beautiful cooking, Jack the Greek style, is plenty of onions. It caramelizes and it sweetens your meal. Okay, so we're on our final stages now of our vegetables, and as you can see, I didn't use everything, but that's okay, as long as you have a good variety. So let's put the rest in, just like this around. We have put some in the barramundi, just like that, to give it the flavour from the inside. And just some around there. And let's just drag him just a little bit over, just to get that tail down. And let's not forget, we have our salt. Just like this. And what a fantastic job our little fan is doing. Keeping all the flies away. That's just like that. Oh, that's beautiful. We'll move our fan over a little bit there. We'll cut our lemon and pour that on. And just like that as well. Beautiful, let's cover it in. Move some of these vegetables up the back. Just there. One more lemon. Just like this. And of course, we can't forget how we're going to keep the moisture. A couple of glasses of water, just on the side. Like that. And a bit of olive oil straight over the fish and the rest of the vegetables. Just like that. Now, if you look around, it's at 150 degrees. We're ready to go on the CrossRay BBQ. All 4 burners have been on high for about 5 or 6 minutes. Let's open up, grab our fish. We don't need to put a cover on it or anything like that. There it is. Beautiful barramundi with vegetables on the top grill, just like that. And I reckon within about an hour, it should be ready to go. Opa. Opa. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. We had to use 2 spatulas to get it there. We've left a little bit behind, but that's okay. Put the head just there. Just like that. And then let's just get our beautiful vegetables. Put them either side. Just like that. There we go, look at that. Beautiful, fresh, seasoned vegetables with our barramundi. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful barramundi with vegetables on the CrossRay BBQ. Opa.